Opening this box of Dubwool V from Champions Path. Running this as a test. I hope to be opening. I have for a future opening. Sorry. I have Zacian ETB Plus and Zamazenta ETB Plus. So I'm using this as sort of a way to figure out how this will work and how to do my setup. So I do have some sleeves. I can sleeve up some the good pulls there, and even the that. So I got this at my local game store a few months back. So let's open it up, see what we got. This is only, so I've only opened 2 booster packs of Champions Path. So hopefully we get something good from this, because those 2 wasn't great, but you know, there's nothing I'm really looking forward in it. I do want to finish the collection. I just wish there was more than a Charizard to pull from the set, you know. Okay, so there's the box. Got the jumbo card, and I do have the jumbo binder from the collection they're doing this year for the partners. So that'll go in there. I'm a little disappointed the older jumbo cards won't fit. They're bigger. So I got here. Alright, so there's the Dubwool V code card I'm going to keep. I want to put this in there. Alright. There's that. The Dubwool V jumbo card. And the 3 packs of Champions Path. So, we got 2 Alchremies. Alright, so let's get started. See if this setup works better than the last time I tried opening packs. Alright. I don't remember how the code cards are in here. So I'm gonna, it looks like the code part, so we're gonna set that aside. I don't want to see if it's white or green, because I believe they had that correct in this set, as opposed to when they sped the production up during battle styles. It's like it didn't matter. Alright, so got a Psychic Energy, a Victini. Let's see if we can get this focused here. Sorry about that. That's probably as clear as I'm going to be able to get. Like I said, this is a test. Hyper Potion, Rotom Phone, Full Heal, Scraggy, Purloin, Machop, Nickit, Reverse Zigzagoon. I wouldn't have been surprised if that was another Nickit. And a foil Lycanroc. So nothing big to start, but hopefully we get some last pack magic at the very end, at the very least. All right, let's see what we got in this pack. That aside, take the back 4 if you've never seen this before, because that puts the energy at the front. All right, so we got the Psychic Energy, Team Yell Grunt, Machoke, Rotom Bike, Inkay, Weedle, Galarian Linoon, Carvana, sorry about that sound, Swablu, bump the mic, Reverse Milo, and a foil Machamp. So, oof, my bit rate's all over the place, isn't it? Well, one person here, so hopefully you're enjoying what you do see. first 4. Sorry, I keep talking away from the mic. So those were all probably white as well. So yeah, let's keep going. Psychic, Sharpedo, Piers, Hatchram, Rockruff, Vulpix, Potion, Full Heal, Roly-Coly, a Reverse Team Yell Grunt, and a Foil Marnie. Full Art Marnie would be the one to pull. My set knowledge isn't great. Otherwise, I'd be like, oh, that's not in this set, or I don't even know if you can pull it from this set. That. All right. Last pack. All right. There's a Full Heal. Oh, I forgot to do the thing. Metal Energy, Turffield Stadium, Hop, Beedrill, Sizzlipede, Purloin, Ekans, Potion, Reverse Turffield Stadium, and then another Foil Marnie. So, got 2 of the same rares. So why don't we take from the Hatteran box, where I opened 2 packs already, and we'll just open those packs here too. Looks like it's going to be a VOD at least. Well, that one opens so much easier. Okay, take the code card. That one was packaged differently. Alright, so Water Energy, Sonia, Piers, Hop, Full Heal, Rockruff, Galarian Zigzagoon, Weedle, Sizzlipede, Reverse Sharpedo, and a Scorch foil. This is interesting. Oops, sorry about that. So no pulls so far, nothing big. Hopefully something great comes in. Sorry about that. So let's that's about 9 minutes in. I'll get that edited out. All right, last pack. Can we pull something from 2 V boxes? Like I said, a Dubwool and a Hatteran V box. Full art, secret rare, something would be good. All right, Electric Energy, Piers. Come on, camera. Machoke. Bead. I feel like I already saw the rare here. Machop. Purloin. Scraggy. Full Heal. Hatena. Roly-Coly. And a Scrafty. Oh, that was a reverse Roly-Coly. Alright, so 2 boxes, no pulls. Not surprised. Thanks to the one viewer that didn't see anything, I guess. But I appreciate it. So that's it for this stream. Thanks for tuning in. If you want to check out someone else, I recommend checking out the Poke Trucker. He does giveaways weekly. I actually won one. That's where I got this not Hidden Fates, Shining Fates Mini 10. It had 2 packs in it. I got an DDV, a Rillaboom, Full Art Shiny, and a Galarian Wheezing Baby Shiny. So, check him out. And enter the drawings. Support him as well. Thanks. And I'm gonna hop out.